we're in the bathtub. Right,
you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so hold
oh my gosh.
Hold it like this, so... You ready to go out?
Yeah, it's recording.
Don't stab me. Fucking cat.
Come on, Charlie.
Good job, Soki. You did it.
I'm destroyed in beer.
We suck.
It didn't work quite like this.
It's too fucking cold. Oh, fuck. Oh. I need to burp.
Then burp.
I'm trying to. Oh, shit.
I don't know what way that worked differently. It's all. Hold it right up. Like, over.
Welcome to the jungle.
We've got fun and games.
I've got hair in my sock.
Welcome to the jungle. We've got fun and games. I've got a hair on my sock. Everyone watch out for the hairs on your socks.
I really need to burp. But I'm trying. I need my mommy.
It's okay, Ash. It's okay. Come on, you can do it.
This is when I miss my mommy more. I need to burp.
Look how short Charlie is. Lol, look how short Charlie is compared to them.
Okay, we'll just drink somewhere.
Yeah, drink the rest. Just finish that.
Finished.
Just hold it up like that. There you go. Nutritious beer.
I don't like Budweiser.
Nobody likes Budweiser.
It looks very patriotic.
I know, right?
America. Come on, you guys know the tune.
Fuck yeah.
I want.
Will you ever shave your beard?
Okay.
My hands are sticky.